Happy New Year. How are your resolutions working out for you so far? It's been what, about a week of the new year? But don't worry if it's not going that well. Statistically, it's said that over 80% of resolutions fail or fizzle away by some point in February. The reality is most people don't have it specific, and they get excited at the start of the year and probably don't think about it till the end of the year. So rather than calling it a New Year's resolution, which statistically is bound for failure, why don't we reframe it and call it our summits that we wish to climb? So what mountains do you wish to climb? Whether it's for health, for wealth, relationships, personal development, spirituality, or anything else for that matter. Be very clear what that summit of the mountain looks like. And then every day ask yourself, what is one step I can take to get further up? It's not about the big steps. It's that consistent step that you're taking day after day, and you're surely going to get there. And in addition to what step do I need to take, ask yourself, who do I need to be today? Perhaps you need to be courageous, empathetic, loving, stern. But whatever it is, make sure you know what that is. Now, you might be wondering why I'm walking. One of my goals was to be more active during the day. So in my office, I have this treadmill that allows me to take steps while I'm attending meetings or recording such videos. So my message to you, keep walking, and you're going to get to your summit soon enough.